Hi children, how are you? Welcome back to our EVS online class. Did you write and study your previous works?
Children, in the last class we have discussed about caring ourselves. First one, what is the importance of keeping our skin clean? Children, do you know answer? Say loudly. Yes. Keeping our skin clean is very important because it will protect our body from germs. It will protect our body from germs. Second one, how will you keep our hands and feet clean? How will you keep our hands and feet clean? Do you answer? Yes, say. Yes. By washing them using soap and water, by wearing clean socks, by trimming the nails regularly. Then third one, how can we protect our eyes? How can we protect our eyes? Do you study this answer? Said, told. Yes. Do not read in dim light. Do not read while lying down. Don't watch television for a long time. Don't watch television for a long time. The next one. Write the functions of our sense organs. Write the functions of our sense organs. Eyes help us to see. Ear help us to hear. Nose help us to smell. Tongue help us to taste things. And skin help we feel. The last one. Make suggestions to keep our sense organs clean. Make suggestions to keep our sense organs clean. First point, eyes. Wash your eyes with clean water. Wash your eyes with clean water. Second point, clean your ears with soft earbuds. Clean your ears with soft earbuds. Third point, always use clean handkerchief to clean your nose. The next point, keep your mouth, teeth and tongue always clean. The last one, we must take bath twice a day. We must take bath twice a day. Students, you must study these answers. Children, today we are going to discuss about new chapter. Chapter name is Freedom Struggle in Kerala. What is the name of chapter? Freedom Struggle in Kerala. The people of Kerala had the feeling of nationalism from very early period. The people of Kerala had the feeling of nationalism from very early period. Travancore, Kochi and Malabar had their own agitations against the British rule. Agitations means revolt, prashobhangal. In old days, Kerala was divided into three parts. They are Travancore, Kochi and Malabar. They are conduct their own agitations against the British rule. The agitations of the early period were aimed at the establishment of a good government. Means the agitation of the early period were, what was the aim? Aim means lakshyanga. Were aimed at the establishment of a good government, means spread of a good government. What was the nature of agitations in the later period? The agitations of the later period were aimed at the formation of the state of Kerala, means the Aikya Kerala movement. This movement was aimed at integrating Travancore, Kochi and Malabar into a single state. This movement was aimed at integrating means സംയോജിപ്പിക്കുക Travancore, Kochi and Malabar into a single state. Children, first of all, we discuss about Attingal Revolt in 1721. Attingal Revolt means Attingal Kalaba in 1721. The Attingal Revolt of 1721 was the first organized popular rising against the British authorities in Kerala. All students listen to me very carefully. The Attingal Revolt of 1721 was the first organized rising against the British authorities in Kerala. What was Attingal Revolt? All students say loudly. What was Attingal Revolt? Yes, the Attingal Revolt of 1721 was the first organized popular rising against the British authorities in Kerala. Means the first uprising in India against the British. The British trade policy affected the people. The British trade policy means വ്യാപാര നയങ്ങൾ affected the people. Hence, the people of Attingal revolted to protect their trade rights. The people of Attingal revolted to protect their trade rights. On the night of April 11, 1721, about 150 British soldiers were done to death at Attingal Place near Thiruvananthapuram. Once again I say, on the night of April 11, 1721, about 150 British soldiers were done to death at Attingal Place near Thiruvananthapuram. The revolt was organized by Kodman Pilla, Minister of the Queen of Attingal, Umayamma Rani. The Attingal outbreak is often regarded as the first organized revolt against British authority in Malabar, Cochin and Travancore. Next I say about revolt of Veluthambi Dalava, 1802 to 1809. The British interfered in the internal administration of Travancore. It resulted in a struggle between the natives and the foreigners. Means the people of Travancore did not like the indifferences of the British in the internal administration, and it led to a struggle between the natives and the British. Veluthambi Dalava took leadership in the revolt against the British indifferences. Velayudham Chambakaraman Thambi or Veluthambi Dalava was born in Talakkulam village on 6th May 1765. Or Veluthambi was born on 6th May 1765 at Talakkulam. Veluthambi or Velayudham Chambakaraman Thambi was the Dalava Prime Minister of the Kingdom of Travancore between 1802 to 1809. Ramavarma Kulasekara Perumal was the ruler of the period. The revolt of Veluthambi started a new chapter for the people of Travancore and India against the British Empire. Once again I say, the revolt of Veluthambi started a new chapter for the people of Travancore and India against the British Empire. It was rebelled as one of the important revolt in South India against the colonial domination of British East India Company. Means it was rebelled means competition as one of the important revolt in South India against the colonial domination of British East India Company. It was one of the earliest revolts against the British imperial authority. He is best known for being one of the earliest individual to rebel against the British East India Company's supremacy in India. From Kundara, Veruthambi Talava issued the historic proclamation popularly known as Kundara Proclamation. Means Veruthambi Talava set up his headquarters at Kundara. His Kundara Proclamation 11th January 1809 was a famous announcement of war against the British. What was the Kundara Proclamation? Kundara Proclamation meaning Kundara Vilambaram. Kundara Proclamation was a famous announcement of war against the British. All students listen to me very carefully. What was Kundara Proclamation? Kundara Proclamation was a famous announcement of war against the British. It was in the year January 11th, 1809. Veruthambi Talava, the Prime Minister or Diwan to King Balarama Varma of Travancore in present day Kerala, was one of the earliest opponents of British rule. Veruthambi Talava in January 1809 made a proclamation known as the Kundara Proclamation. He fought bravely against the British. He took refuge in the house of the priest of Bhagavati temple at Mannadi. He took refuge means Abhayam Prabhika in the house of the priest of the Bhagavati temple at Mannadi. Veruthambi Talava committed suicide 29 March 1909 because he never wanted to be caught by his enemies. Caught means pidikkapada. Because he never wanted to be caught by his enemies. In the aftermath of the battle, Veruthambi fled from Thiruvananthapuram. Fled means odipova. Fled from Thiruvananthapuram and committed suicide in the Mannadi temple. The government of Kerala instituted a memorial to Talava, a research center, a museum, a park and a statue at Mannadi near Adoor. Oh students, listen to me carefully. Here are one question. Write a note on the services of Veruthambi Talava. Answer is, the people of Travancore did not like the interferences of the British in the internal administration, and it led to a struggle between the natives and the British. And the British means foreigners. Veruthambi Talava took leadership in that revolt. He set up his headquarters at Kundara. The Kundara Proclamation was a famous announcement of a war against the British. Veruthambi Talava fought bravely against the British. Children, do you understand about the services of Veruthambi Talava? All students study well this answer. Children, now I give you some homework. Write in your EVS notebook. First one, what was Attingal Revolt? What was the Attingal Revolt? Second one, what was the Kundara Proclamation? What was the Kundara Proclamation? Third one, write a note on the services of Veruthambi Talava. Write a note on the services of Veruthambi Talava. Children, now I wind up this class. I hope you can understand this class. If you have any doubt, you can ask through WhatsApp. Thank you.